good afternoon. Thank God it's Friday. It is T Haven. How's everybody on today? Listen, I just wanted to bring a thought here that for women, if you get upset because you hear women always saying, women, why are you allowing this man to do this? Women, if I were you, I would not this. And women, it's your choice. You don't have to do it. It's because literally it is your choice. You make the decision to decide if you want to pursue and move forward in a relationship when dating. It's all on you, okay? You can't put the responsibility on another person. Taking accountability and saying, I'm a grown woman, I'm grown. And being grown, you make grown women's decisions. And grown women's decisions come grown women's responsibilities. With grown women's responsibilities, and the decision making could be good or bad, but you got to accept whatever decision that you decided as a grown woman to make, okay? Don't get upset with nobody else. Point the finger back at you. Y'all heard the sayings, when you're pointing one at somebody else, there's four fingers pointing right back at you, because the responsibility, it really lies on you. And we be knowing that. Us women, we be like, why in the world did I make that mistake? I didn't even know all of this about him. Yeah, because we're not taking our time. There is no rush. In dating, there is no rush. Matter of fact, you would enjoy it a little bit better if you take your time. If you find a person that is trying to rush you in a relationship, you may want to check out and find out if he's running from something, if he's running from and running to, okay? Because that's what a lot of guys do. They hurry up and jump into another relationship. But a lot of times, guys that are not stable and they constantly say, I think I might have to leave this relationship, it's because he might already got somebody in the background. So you ain't got to even worry about, or he don't have to worry about going and searching you like, he gonna have a hard time finding somebody else. There's already somebody in the background waiting. She's waiting her turn, because you have quite a few women that sit back and wait. They literally will wait on a guy, knowing you're not supposed to be waiting on no man. You're not even supposed to be, I'm gonna wait for him to figure out what he want. You see, that Jackson lady did that with Nelly. He went right back to Ashanti. Ashanti didn't wait though. Ashanti went on with her life. She got on stage. She was performing. She was like, shoot. Okay then, that's what you chose. That's what you chose. And I can't make a man do what he don't want to do. That's the whole point in taking accountability. You can't make another person do anything. A man can't make a woman do nothing, and a woman can't make a man do anything. There's no control in relationships. It should not be about control. And if your whole motive and manipulation is control, it's something going on deep down inside of you that you feel like you have to control another human being. If you barely got control over yourself, how in the world can you take the responsibility of controlling somebody else? That's all I'm saying. Anyway, y'all like, share, subscribe. Tell me what y'all think. Leave a comment in the comment section. So much love. Peace. Y'all have an awesome Friday. So much. Thank you. Goodbye.